Installing new windows is one of the best investments you can make in your Hilliard home. Whether you're upgrading for improved energy efficiency, better comfort, or enhanced curb appeal, proper preparation goes a long way toward ensuring a smooth and stress-free installation day. When your home is ready and your installers have clear access, the project moves faster, stays cleaner, and delivers better results. Here's a homeowner-friendly guide to help you prepare your Hilliard home for a seamless window installation experience. Clear the area around your windows before installation day. Walk through your home and make sure each window has plenty of open space around it. This ensures the installation team can easily remove old windows and install new ones without damaging your belongings. What to clear away? Furniture, such as couches, chairs, nightstands, or desks, wall decor like paintings, frames, and curtains, lamps, plants, and decorative items, any electronics or fragile pieces nearby. Creating a 3 to 4 foot clearance around each window helps installers work efficiently and safely. Remove window treatments and hardware. Take down any window treatments before installation begins. This includes curtains and rods, blinds and shades, shutters, valances, any decorative hardware. Removing these ahead of time prevents damage and allows installers to begin working right away. If you plan to reuse your window treatments, store them in a clean, dry area until installation is complete. Protect your floors and furniture. Window replacement can create dust, debris, and occasional small messes. While professional installers typically lay down drop cloths, it's helpful to take a few precautions of your own. Protect surfaces by covering nearby furniture with old sheets, rolling up rugs near the work area, using plastic sheets or tarps on wood or carpeted floors, moving valuable items or heirlooms to another room. These simple steps will make cleanup easier and keep your belongings safe. Disable security sensors and alarm systems. Many Hilliard homes have window sensors as part of their security system. Before installation day, contact your security provider or disable the sensors yourself. This prevents false alarms and gives installers full access without complications. Once installation is complete, sensors can be reattached to your new windows. Ensure easy outdoor access. Installers typically work from both inside and outside your home. Make sure the exterior areas near your windows are accessible. This may include unlocking backyard gates, moving outdoor furniture, clearing away garden hoses or lawn decor, trimming bushes or shrubs near window openings in homes with landscaping close to the home's foundation. Even small adjustments can make a big difference for the installation crew. Designate a safe space for pets and children. Window installation involves tools, materials, and frequent movement through your home. To keep everyone safe, plan ahead for pets and younger children. Consider keeping pets in a separate room, asking a friend or family member to watch small children, using baby gates to block off work areas. This helps installation go smoothly and ensures your loved ones remain safe. Communicate any specific needs or concerns. If you have questions about the process or special circumstances, like limited access areas, scheduling needs, or fragile wall materials, communicate these to your installation team ahead of time. Open communication ensures the installers arrive fully prepared and reduces the chance of delays or complications. Prepare for brief temperature shifts during installation. Your home will temporarily have open window spaces. Depending on the season in Hilliard, this may cause slight temperature changes. To prepare, adjust your thermostat ahead of time. Close doors to rooms that don't need to be accessed. Have blankets handy in cooler months. Installers work one window at a time, so any temperature changes are usually minimal and short-lived. Final thoughts: a little preparation goes a long way when it comes to window installation. By clearing access areas, protecting your home, securing pets, and communicating with your installation team, you help ensure the project goes smoothly, efficiently, and safely. With your new windows properly installed, you'll enjoy improved energy efficiency, greater comfort, and a fresh look that enhances your Hilliard home inside and out.